Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion CNC programming tutorial video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for Homag and Weeke CNC machines using Autodesk Fusion. Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna program this simple bookcase for a pattern rail CNC machine. Alright. I know I've been doing a lot of nesting lately using a plugin called Mailbox Pro. All right, and I'm gonna use this here to lay the parts flat. All right. So let me select Mailbox Pro. Okay, I'm gonna size the sheet 4 by 9. Excuse me, 4 by 8. Should be 48, not 49. 4 by 8. Okay. I'm going to options. I got everything saved as default. Okay, so the map output type is component bodies. All right, and then I have a range type field boards diagonally. This is for CNC or laser cutting. All right. And everything else is here. 5/8 spacing, component spacing. I have the trim on board, edge, half an inch, and then the space between boards is 2 inches. Everything else is checked. All right. So when you have everything that you want, you can just save as user default. So next time you open Mailbox Pro, you're gonna have everything there. Okay, you don't have to make changes again. So um, let's go to lumber. Actually, let's go to options and um, let's create labels for this part. Okay, okay. Let's say I want to do a cut list. Yeah, save cut list. Um, I'm gonna go down to I'm gonna select a different font. It's gonna be Arial Black. I'm gonna increase the dimensions height to 2 centimeters. All right. And then component label height is gonna be the same, and the same for board label height. All right. Um, what else do I have to do here? That's it. So let me click OK. Uh, I gotta save this cut list. It's gonna save it as a CSV file. So save. Now it's creating the map, and there it is. Okay. Okay, there it is. All right, so I can turn off the bookcase if I want to. All right, so I can select every single component here. Select the first one, left side, hold down Shift, select back, right click, and just show height. Or can you select map one and then isolate. Okay. I do this when you have a lot of components to turn off, so I just isolate map one. It's just faster like that. All right. Um, Let me isolate map one. I just want to see this part laying flat. All right. And you see the labels on the parts. Okay, that's great. Now let's go to manufacturer workspace, and I'm gonna create a setup. So let me do. I'm gonna do the back first. So I'm gonna go down to model, click on select, select the back, go back to Z-axis. But before that orientation, I'm gonna go from X-axis to Y-axis, the second one here. So what's my Z-axis? This face. My Y-axis, this edge. I got stock box point, select it, click on box point, zoom in. I'm gonna select this point right there. I'm gonna have to flip the y-axis arrow. Just click on it to flip it, or you can just check on this box to flip it as well. Next, stock. This is the size of the part. Okay, see my manufacturer workspace is in millimeters. I'll change it to inches in a minute. Um, let's go to post process. I'm gonna name the program back. I I could type any program comment. Let's say um 10 millimeter. Oops, 10 8 millimeter holes. Click OK. Yeah, these are 8 millimeter. Let me check. Select that edge, that hole. I'm zooming now. See, you see the bottom right on the screen is 8 millimeters. Okay, I can rename the setup one to back. Hit enter. Okay, now it's just drilling. So let me go to drill. Let me go to drilling here. Drill. Select my tool. Let's go to Weeke drill bits, bright point. Let me get that 8 millimeter bright point. Select. Go to geometry. I'm gonna select a whole face. That one. I'm gonna check this box right next to select same diameter. Okay. Next, high stab. Nothing to change here. Cycle type. This is the one that I use all the time. Drilling, wrap it out. So let me click OK. And that's my first program. I'm gonna right click, simulate. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. So as you can see, the top and the bottom are the same because the holes are in the center. So I only need one program to make both bottom and top panels. So I can just turn this one off here. I just need one side panel to program. That's for both right and left side panels. So I'm gonna turn off this bottom right here and this side panel here. Um, I can just go to models next to bookcase. Click on this arrow to expand that. Let me go to map one. Click on this arrow. Let me go to board one, and I'm gonna have to turn off the bottom. Turn that off. Um, on the right side, right here, turn that off as well. Let's say you don't want to see these labels. Um, just go to sketches. Actually, board one right here, and go to sketches. Click on the arrow to expand. Just turn everything off. Okay. Okay. Now let me program the side panel. You see, it has horizontal drilling. Okay. You see in the back, uh, in the top or bottom, because this panel can be flipped. Or it could be a left or a right. Okay. So let me select back, setup, right click, duplicate, select that. I'm gonna rename it side. Hit enter. Right click, edit. Uh, right next to model, click on this X. Select the model. That's where my WCS. This is where I want my WCS to be, right there. So I don't have to select Z axis or Y axis. They're on the same plane. So let me go to post process. I'm gonna name the program Psi. I can say 5 millimeter holes and an 8 millimeter horizontal holes. Okay, click OK. I'm gonna click on this arrow to expand that. Select that drill. I'm gonna use vertical drilling, but I gotta change my my drill from 8 millimeters to 5 millimeters. So right click, edit, select my tool. Let's go to that drilling drop point under Weeke drill bits. Let me get 5 millimeter drop point. Select, go to geometry, click on this X right next to faces. Zoom in, select this face. Okay. Let me click OK. Now let's do horizontal drilling. All right. And um, let me go to, I can select this one right here as well. I can duplicate it, right click, duplicate, right click on the second one, edit. Let me select my tool, which is going to be an 8 millimeter drop point, which I have right here. Okay. Select that and go to geometry. So, um, actually multi-axis, tool orientation. And this is only available for the pay version, okay? Not for the free version. So you gotta keep that in mind, all right? Check on this box, my z-axis. Let's do this one first, these holes. So let me select that face, okay, and geometry. Click on this X, zoom in, select this whole face, click OK. Okay, there it is. Let's go to the bottom or the top holes right here. So I'm gonna right click, duplicate, select the second one, right click, edit. Let's go to multi-axis. What's my z-axis? Click on this X. It's gonna be this one right here, that face. Okay, let's go to geometry, clear out the selection, zoom in, select this hole, click OK. All right, now let's do the last one, the holes in the back, where the back panel is gonna go into. All right, same thing, right click, duplicate, or Control D on your keyboard as a shortcut. All right, select the last one, right click, edit, geometry, actually multi-axis. Keep forgetting about this. Okay, click on this X, my face, this face, geometry, click on this X, select this whole face, click OK, and there it is. Just right click, simulate. Okay, see that? So this is programmed. I'm gonna hit escape on my keyboard to exit. Okay, let's go to the last part, which is the top or bottom. So I'm gonna duplicate. I have a size setup selected. Control D to duplicate. Rename the setup to top dash bottom. Hit enter. Right click. Edit. Um, let's go to body right here. Model body. Click on this X. Select this one right there. Okay. Uh, I don't have to do anything else here. So let me go to post process. Name this top underscore bottom. I can say 10, 10, 8 millimeter holes. Click OK. Click on this arrow. Select the first one. Um, yeah, select the first one. And I'm actually I can use the 8 millimeter one. So select the second one. Right click. Edit. Tool orientation. That's gonna be unchecked. Geometry. Click on this X. Zoom in. Select that phase. Click OK. I'm done. So I'm gonna delete everything else. So I got the first one selected. I'm gonna hold down Control key on my keyboard. Select this one and the last one. Right click. Delete. There it is. Now I'm ready to post process these three programs. All right, let's do the back one first. Right click. Let me change the unit from millimeters to inches. Click OK. Oh, so I made the changes. So I'm gonna have to regenerate a toolpath. That's okay. So I can select the back. I'm gonna hold down Shift, select the last one, right click, generate. So you generated all three setups at the same time. All right. Okay, so let's post process the back. Right click, post process, bootwap inch, post processor, post. I already have a NC program back. It's fine. Let me overwrite that. Next one, side. Right click, post process, post, top bottom. Right click, post process. Yes, I want to overwrite it. Let's go to bootwap 5.0. File, open. So top and bottom first. Okay. Now let's select the second one, side. Okay. You see vertical drilling and horizontal drilling. So this is really nice. All right. Last one, file open, the back open. That's it. Let's check the report. So well I didn't post it yet. So let's go back to Fusion. Let's go to design. Right click on map one. Map report. It's gonna create that map report. So you see all the I can change the colors for one. Okay, let's just click OK, and yeah, it's gonna be Bookcase. I already have a folder in my desktop, so it's gonna save as an HTML file. So let me save that. So it took me to the website. Click on map, board one. There it is. Okay, go to count list. Let's go to materials. It says paint. That's the appearance that I applied in Fusion. That's okay. Zero should be like, let's say I want to do this in melamine, and have to look for that melamine material, physical material. Let's go to options. These are all the settings that I use. Help, it tells you how to make a map report and what it is. All right. Let's go back. All right, so let's go back to Fusion. And that's it for this video, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. All right. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. All right, guys. That's it for this video. Have a nice day. God bless you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.